What is up, tech gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Nokia 6.1. This is the re-release version of the Nokia 6, but it is the US version, hence 6.1. I am super interested in this device, and honestly, it has the potential to be the best budget phone of 2018. Obviously, you guys know that the Mate SE is that for me right now, but we're going to go ahead and run some tests later on, so definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and we're going to go ahead and unbox this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm super duper excited to finally unbox this phone. Obviously we have Android 1 in here, and what that means, if you guys have any questions on that, is basically we have a pure Android experience on this, and it is always going to be up to date as far as software goes. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the back of the device here. It says we have a precision machined aluminum unibody. That means we cannot take the back off this device. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 chip inside of here. We also have a 5.5 inch 1080p full HD display. We have a 16 megapixel rear with ZS optics. We have an 8 megapixel wide angle front camera. We also have a dual sight mode, simultaneously front and rear camera capture with one touch live streaming. Never saw that feature before on a device, so that's really cool. And as I said before, we have Android Oreo right out of the box, and it says we have Android 1, which basically means we get a pure and up-to-date secure with Nokia. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox this. We got Knifey right here. Alright guys, let's go ahead and pull this tab right here and pull it out. Awesome. Very simple presentation right here. As you guys see on the right side, we do have the phone right here, and we do have some more stuff right here. First and foremost, let's go ahead and take the phone. Wow, phone actually feels really nice and premium. The accents, it looks like it's orange accents, look really nice. But yeah, awesome. Let's go ahead and put that aside. Obviously, we have our SIM ejector tool right here to take out the SIM card. We have the quick start guide for the Nokia 6.1, and we have a whole other little box thingy, which leads me to believe that this is going to be the charger. So actually we receive headphones inside of here, which is actually pretty weird. I've never seen that, but pretty cool. We also have our data cable, and we have Type-C on this device, so really awesome. Last but not least, we do have this huge Nokia charging brick. Looks to be pretty nice, and we should get some good charge with this. So let's go ahead and open up the device now. All right guys, so first and foremost, this phone is absolutely beautiful. The bronze accents with the black just really mesh super well. As we see on the right side of the device, we have those power button and we have the volume button as well, and the accents even on that are super duper nice, and they just look epic. If we go to the back of the device, obviously we have the Android 1 logo right here. We also have a Nokia emblem right there. Just over that we have the fingerprint sensor, and just over that we have our Zeiss optical camera, which is very interesting because we can actually live stream with this, which is really nice, probably to platforms such as YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that, but that's really cool. We also have our flash attached to that as well, and right above all of that we do have a mic. Taking a look at the left side of the device, we also have our SIM ejector right there, so we can go ahead and put our SIM card inside of there. And the front of the device looks raised, and it honestly looks really nice. We also have Nokia branding at the top. We have our 8 megapixel front facing camera, and we do have a headset right there. We also probably have a proximity light sensor somewhere at the top. But yeah, let's go ahead and turn on this device. As you see, we are greeted with Android 1 right there, and we are getting Oreo out of the box, it sounds like. So far though, screen looks really nice. This is going to be a 1080p screen. Also, something I noticed just right now, we have a full battery straight out of the box, which is really dope. Alright guys, we have now set up the phone, and honestly, first impressions, we do have stock Android on here, so really nice to see that. I honestly love stock Android, super refined Android experience, just really nice and smooth so far. Booting up the phone, I did put in a fingerprint, and the fingerprint is actually super fast, and it's pretty much 100%. There wasn't one time where I couldn't unlock it with my fingerprint, so it is pretty fast and pretty nice, and the fingerprint sensor is super reliable on this phone. Another thing that I noticed is we do have that live streaming capability straight from your phone, so if you swipe left, we do get that live feature right here, and you can go live on YouTube or Facebook, which is really nice, straight from your phone's camera, so that's pretty cool. We also have some other modes, such as the single or dual mode. This is a mode I really do like. You can actually film what's in front of you, and you can film yourself at the same time, as you guys see me right here. We also have another mode called PIP, where you can be in the top right corner and you can be filming something else, which is really nice as well for those people who do make YouTube videos and commentary videos. So really nice. I believe you can actually use these modes while you're live, so that's a really awesome feature as well. Now, going back into the phone, we're gonna go ahead and go into YouTube really quick, and we're gonna go ahead and find a video for you guys. But yeah, I just want to give you my experience on this device with my first impressions on the speaker. Speaker is at the bottom of the phone, right next to the USB Type-C port, and the thing is, the bottom speaker can be covered easily, but the bottom speaker is super duper loud. It's not going to show you, you know, you guys are not going to get the full experience of the speaker in this video, but you guys can definitely hear that this is a loud speaker. So even though the speaker is at the bottom of the phone, it does feel like it's going towards your face, so it's really loud, honestly, in my opinion. Also, video looks really nice in 1080p on this device. Definitely have no problems there. Viewing angles are also really good. Considering this is a budget phone, even though you tilt it side to side, you know, it's still gonna look good either way. But yeah, so far this phone is a win. From the body with the black and bronze accents, the different camera modes we have, and the Android experience, definitely makes for a really nice budget phone. Also, a lot of people are asking me, you know, how big is the phone? Phone is about 6 inches, but the screen is only 5.5 inches, as you see right here. The bezels are pretty large, and that's kind of, you know, not too good in 2018, but honestly, I really don't have any problems with it so far. And for $269, this is honestly an epic price for this phone. Definitely going to do a ton more videos on this phone, so if you guys have not done so already, hit that subscribe button. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy that video. If you did, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also, turn on notifications if you guys do not have notifications on, so you guys are notified every time I do upload. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.